Netcat is often referred to as the Swiss Army knife of networking because it has so many features and so many uses. At its basic level, Netcat operates as either a sender or a receiver of arbitrary data across the network. Netcat is often installed by default, and we can check by typing at the command line which NC. Here we can see we're installed in /bin/nc. So the first thing I'll do is set up a chat line across the internet. I'll set up a Netcat listener on Hydra by specifying the -L option and a port number with the -P option. Let's go ahead and type NC -LP 4545. Note that I've typed -LP. I could have typed -L -P, but Netcat is quite happy with us specifying both options together. Hydra's IP address is 10.1.1.51, so on Scorpio I'll type NC 10.1.1.51 4545 and press enter. This establishes a raw data connection. I'll type Hello Universe, and we can see that is immediately displayed on the Hydra console. Again, if I type Hi, how are you? On Scorpio, it's repeated on Hydra. To terminate the chat, I can press Ctrl+C in the Scorpio console. When we set Hydra up as a listener, it opened port 4545 and then waited for network input. When we opened a sender on Scorpio, it made a connection to Hydra on port 4545 using the TCP 3-packet handshake, and then waited to take data from what is known as standard input, the console, and pass it out onto the network. When we entered Hello World and pressed return, the data was sent to Hydra. Hydra read it from the network, sent an acknowledgement back, and then pushed the data out through its standard out, that is, onto the Hydra console. This continued until we pressed Ctrl+C when Scorpio sent a FIN packet and closed the connection.